Hey, OGVP, TVS, OGVP, you already know that I did some, from scratch spaghetti. It's all the ingredients right here. I don't want to talk about that. Let that, y'all just watch this, got all the stuff, thin spaghetti, crushed tomatoes, everything like that. So, I'm a Laker fan, I'm a Steph Curry fan, so, these last couple of days, the NBA just started, and yeah, and then, a little bit of magic. Yeah, okay. So, the Lakers just came. Everybody been talking about Anthony Davis gonna take over the team. LeBron only gonna play 32 minutes match. We can't do nothing without LeBron. I'm not a LeBron fan, I'm a Lakers fan. And I know what's best for the Lakers, and we only gonna go as far as LeBron carries. I don't care what Anthony Davis, sear them onions and bell pepper, put your little meat, and I put a little sausage in there. Put a little flavor in there. You ain't gotta do that if you ain't with the swine. Anyway, they think Anthony Davis about to bring us to, oh, he's gonna carry the load and LeBron's gonna, no, if LeBron break down, we done for. If we gotta worry about him being a 38-year-old, 21 years in the league, if he gotta carry us by himself, and he gotta facilitate and do everything, it ain't gonna happen. Anthony Davis is not the guy. Steph out there doing what he do. 41 last night, 41. You understand? 7 for 10, you understand? Yeah, you put that sauce, crushed tomatoes. You seen the seasons, or I don't know if they came up or not yet. I've been ranting about the Lakers and Steph Curry. But what's going on with Klay Thompson? I don't know if he ever gonna come back to what he was. He be out there tripping. He had a good game last night, but I ain't got much faith in Klay Thompson right now. But either way, you see that garlic powder, you understand me, all that stuff. They should use all that. Put all that in there, however much you want. Season the taste. And this is the look. Say, sometimes you just gotta use what you got. Them sliced cheese, boy, y'all better stop hating on that sliced cheese. You can use anything, macaroni, anything. I'm trying to tell you. Try to do all that fancy cheese, get to messing up your sauce. Anyway, man, LeBron, keep doing what you're doing, because we need every single bit of it. If you don't do what you're doing, we ain't going nowhere. We might even make it out the first round. You 38, about to be 39. Slow down. Shit. Start telling them it's daytime. You can't keep being the GOAT and the king and all this other stuff that they want to call you. I ain't call. See this finished product? Zabada boom. There goes some spaghetti from scratch for you. Zabada boom.